Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to use a fabric scrap to make a beautiful thing to sell. And I make so many because the order, so I have to finish today everyone. I already make about 20 of them. I have cut in here 2.5 inches square fabric, and I have the back color and the front color. You can go one colors if you want, and depend on how many you want, but my order is one set of the keychain is 5 flower, so 2. You can do 3x3, 2x2, or you can do 4x4, but 2.5, but especially for the keychains, it's good size. You don't want to carry the whole craziness with you. So I'm gonna go this side so you can see. I'm gonna mark the center line right here so I know. Alright, so I'm gonna go and pin right in the center, and I'm going around with this. I'm gonna go around with 1/8 of an inch seam allowance to sew this 4 sides. Corners here, you don't need to trim around, just the corners. And then right at the center here, I'm gonna go and cut so I can inside out this. And if you have driller, you can use the driller and to go here and take the other side, pull this out. Right on here, that's the center. I'm gonna go like that. Make a holes right on the top. I have cut in here. This is 12 inches. The cord, satin cord, and you can cut because I make in 5 of them, so I need 3 of this. One is 10, one 11, and one 12. So 1 inch shorter. But it's up to you if you want to, whatever size you want. So I'm gonna go from here, the holes that I just poked. So I'm gonna go like here, and then I'm going to make a knot, and I'll show you the other side too, so you don't confuse why I have two. Okay, this is one go in here, and this is the second one I make, so 2 can stay in one. Now right in the center, I'm making the hole. Don't worry, the hole in the back gonna close after. So then this one right here doing the same thing. You're gonna tie the end. When you make it yourself, you do one at a time. I just have to show you twice here, 2 things in one. Okay, so I push this down inside. Okay, so I'm gonna go and stuff this in here. Use a chopstick and open this part and then stuff it in. And the theme color is blue, so whatever theme you use, everyone, try to, if you want to do all color in one, that's okay too, but I suggest you to do the theme color. Like if you do this blue, then you find something that blue, the flower, the blue flower, solid blue, or anything blue and blue. So try to push it to the corners, all that 4 corners here. Okay, not too much in the center, like the corner, the most that you feel it in here, like this. Push it in to the corner, like that, and do this here too. I do the string like this, one go to here, one go to here. You're gonna do this one, I'll do this one. Look, you can see the center here, and the center here, and the center here. Alright, I'm gonna go and sew that. Right in the center here, I'm gonna go and sew this. Don't worry about it, knock the thing or anything. We're gonna hide it after. So like this, okay? And then you're going to make sure you fold this over. Like that. Make sure you pull it down like this. You see how everything's staying in? Okay, and then you're going to sew it right in the center of this and then connect with that one. Let's do it a few times. You want to make sure it's nice and even and strong. And then on this side, you're going to make sure you sew it in too. So hold this with your finger. And then here, the center, hold this too. Bring this over to the center. And when you bring it over, you're going to make sure that, bring it up. Okay, so I'm going to go take one side first. Take one side right in the center here. It's sunny, it's very sunny. Let me just pull the curtain a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this side down. Now when you pull this side down, you make sure that you see the pedal too, like that. And then on this side, make sure you go right in the center of this. And then you pull. Now make sure the pedal are staying up evenly like this first, and then go into sew a few times on this side, and then we go into straight the other side. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, so that, and then I go back to here, and I'm going to make sure it's even on this side too. Very easy, everyone. So I have made the pink one and the purple and the yellow theme. So after I get all the four on side like this, 4 petals, it's even, I use the pearl. You can go to the Dollar Tree and buy the pearl. Isn't that bad? And it have all different size. And I place right in the center here. Go right in the center. And I go to the top here. And then sew this in. So it's right in the center. And it from here, I'm gonna go and sew right in on the side of the string, and then I go back down. Going back down, I'm gonna go and scoop this up, and I do one more time. So the other day when I make the pink one, the pink solid pink, and I asked the boy, I say, do you know what I'm making? Can you tell me what I'm making? And one of them look and they say, that the pig feet. I'm like, wow, my goodness. So sad. There you go. So you have one tulip right here, four lip. Okay, and then you're gonna go down. And I'm going to wrap this around one time. You don't need to do much. And then you make a loop, you come out. And finish this one. I already done 3, but I'll show you. There. How pretty. Alright, finish this up and then I'll show you what to do. So everyone, I finished this too that I show you. And then I make 2 before that, 4, and then 1 right here with this one with nothing at the end. I'm going to add the bead in there. And then make a knot right here. Make sure you turn the bell notification on, everyone, because I have a lot of video out and it's not a lot of people visit. So let's put this on the side, and here I have cut 2.5 inches by 7.5 inches. I'm going to fold it in half and then fold again. And then I'm going to mark an inch here, going up 1/2 inch, connect this line right here. And then I don't have enough in here, so I'm gonna cut 2 of them. So everyone, after I cut these 2, place the right side to the right side. You sew a 1/4 inch, you're going to leave. Sew it down to here. You're going to leave right in the center here, that little space, so you can inside out. So just about 1 inch right in the center. A 1/4 inch seam allowance, so all around here to this side, all around to here, go to here, go to here, stop. Leave this open so you can inside out. that's it. I'm gonna go and iron this. That's it, everyone. Let's just put them together. You can use the binder ring, or you can use the hook like this. Check in my description for this box, everyone. It has 350 pieces in here with all this ring of different size, the small size and the big size, and then also on this one too. So whatever you decide, this long one, you can go like this. Don't go uneven, just go like this, okay? One go longer than the other. So one like that. Put it down so you can see what you want it to be. And then this one go longer than the other. Just one go on the top like this. Just like this. And then put it in here. You can see I'm hold on to this. Move this up a little bit, and then I let it go through here to the loop. That too. If you don't like the way it looks, then you can move it up on this string right here. Just move one string up and then pull it together like that. Now this is the last one. Okay, so make sure everything you like the way it look. If not, adjust the length of the string. And then here on the top, I'm going to tie the bow. The opening space right in the center. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just want to say thank you for all subscribers, new and returning subscribers. Also, thank you for the channel members and everybody that support my channel, this channel, and my second channel. Please make sure you visit my second channel, the link of my second channel in my description box and also on the first comment of the video. Love you, take care, stay safe everyone.